everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I am unboxing two packages from Maremi Small Arts. I ordered two kits, two of her mixed media kits, and they both arrived today or yesterday in the mail. I just got yesterday's mail today. So let's see what's inside. Very cute little thank you bookmark or fussy cut flowers that she puts in all of her packages, or most, if not all. Cute little flower or butterflies. I don't want to rip them. And then I do it anyways. Okay. This one is one of her older ones. I was ordering her brand new one, so I figured why not order one of the old ones too. This is a little freedom thing and panel, and I won't be videoing me making these creations because she does tutorials with it. So I will be following along with her tutorial, maybe making it my own depending on how I feel at the time, or going with her tutorial, and then I'll show you at the end of this video what I make. But look at this kit. It is so cool. We've got some resin pieces. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Some metal pieces. Aw, beautiful rose. Teeny tiny canvas. Some chipboard pieces. A wood panel, some more resin pieces, and this one's the little cherub. All of the mediums you need, including the primer, so the gesso and the gel medium, and then all of the sprays. These are all 13 arts. We've got a package of alphabets, a little glass cabochons, the word freedom, and her dad's string, I believe. And then in this pouch, we have the background, which is this gorgeous chipboard. So it will be something like this when it's done. And some more pieces. This is a chipboard clock. Frame. Love that. Lattice, I guess. And okay, that goes with this. So that is the first one. That's the little cherub dude. Super cute. I'm very excited to create that. Next up, we have one of her newer kits. Get in it. Okay, beautiful white flowers. Oh, I'm gonna open it this way. There is a loose 7. Oh, I don't know where those pieces are coming from. Okay, so we've got 7, 0, 5, 4, 6. These are the gorgeous flowers. Or papers. I said flowers. Gorgeous papers. So these are all the vintagey papers you get to choose from. You can also use your own. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the main picture. Lots of little cutouts, frames. I'm so excited not only to use this for this kit, oh that's gorgeous, but to use these papers in something else as well. And they are double-sided. It looks like they are from AB Studios. Oh, some of them are double-sided. Looks like the, no, I was going to say the Fussy Cut's not, but they are too. So there's those. Then we've got get that tape off in a minute. This is the chipboard for the background. Some more alphabets. Then we've got some gorgeous chipboard pieces. Some more rose collection. Gorgeous. The word special. Some French journey pieces. These are gorgeous. The lace. Another beautiful rose. The little pink thingies. Cabochon type thingies. It's a gorgeous rose. This frame and these decorative chipboards. So I'm super excited to create these two kits with Maremi Small Art. She does sell them on her website, maremismallart.com, I believe. I will post the link below in case you want to order as well. Not affiliated, but she is a marvelous crafter, huge inspiration of mine, and I can't wait to get started. Thanks for watching.